Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Let me introduce you to our new product here today. It's a 14-inch Android headrest monitor. It comes with multiple ports. Here is a power port, 3.5mm headphone jack, HDMI out port, USB port, SD card port, HDMI in, and here is a reset option. Here are the buttons. This one is for power. You can press and hold to restart or turn off the device. And here are the buttons for volume gain and volume decrease. It comes with Android 13 and 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of ROM. It comes with a fully laminated HD screen. It supports 4K video playback. It can support YouTube, Netflix, and Disney Plus. You can also download your favorite apps by going to the Play Store. It supports screen mirroring for both Android and iPhones. It comes with a smart LED light which you can change colors by going here and then selecting your favorite color. It comes with its own speakers. You can also use FM transmission to play music in your car, and you can also go to settings, Bluetooth, and connect your Bluetooth headphones.